Hello everyone, I Naqiyah Kagzi and my teammate Sahil Safy will present before you the demonstration of our project Finding Minimum Vertex Cards in an Art Gallery. We implemented the gallery problem in C++ and for visualization purpose we have used Python. First, we will compile our C++ program with this command. And now we will run the code. Type 1 to randomly generate the polygon and 2 to take polygon as input from user. So we will type 1. And we will set the number of vertices as 10. As you can see, all the phases have been completed.
So the code has generated these output files. These files will be read in this Python script and animated using Matplotlib. So here we go. First of all, the polygon has been created. Now it will be partitioned into monotones. Now all the monotones will be triangulated. Next, a dual graph will be created. Vertices will be 3-colored. Now we will see the 3-colored vertices in the original polygon and separate out the color with minimum vertices. So here are the minimum vertex guards, which is 2. We will also run this code for another example. This time let us take the number of vertices as 20 and do the same process for visualization. So here we go. So you can see for this polygon also, it has generated the minimum number of vertex guards, which is 6. Thank you.